If your robot cleaner is doing this, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, check that nothing is stuck in the brushes and that everything can move as it should move. And if that's not the problem, then probably it's going to be the battery. Make sure that you know the model of your robot cleaner. You can check it on the back of it in the sticker. It's time to buy the battery. You can go whatever website you want. I will use AliExpress. Type the name of your model and battery. You can choose any battery you want, but make sure that it's compatible with your robot cleaner. I bought this battery, link in the description, and it has been working with no issues. I would recommend selecting a battery with at least the same capacity as the original one. Now that you have your new battery, you have to change it. Make sure to turn off your cleaner before doing this procedure. When you finish, turn it on, charge it as usual, and it should be working now. I will leave the entire video at the end on how I change my battery if you need some guidance. I hope this video is useful. Remember to like this video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe.